All right, filming a train with a GoPro. This is a first. Ah, it's a Via. Why can't I get a CN? It's been over 2 weeks. Son of a bitch.
I knew it, because these are quiet.
Charger. Charger. Okay, bring on the freight now.
There you got a Via train.
That's another Via, I told you. I knew it. Or is it? Yeah, it's another Via.
If we were at Courcelle Street, we would have seen both trains passing.
Meh. Crossing the bridge. So we'll do that.
Sometimes they'll honk at the bridge.
Honk?
They'll honk.
You call it honking?
They'll honk.
Honky. Yeah, I think the LRCs are slowly coming to an end.
Are they ever?
Responding. Good old F40. Oh, look at that Renaissance car, really? All right. I think that's a VI here coming, and now there's a clear to stop on the other track, so that means the other one's going to be a freight. Oh, look at that, F40 again. Dig it. Yeah, I didn't use the GoPro on this one because the tracks are a little too far, I find. For it. Oh wow, now the other signal is clear. Oh cool. There'd be a freight coming, I'm sure, because that's like 2 Vias you see here in the span of 20 minutes. Oh yeah. Well, I missed a QGRY earlier at Curb Street, but hey, at least I get this commuter coming in. I never got a commuter going southbound here, only northbound. Funny, they're doing like CN. They got the 2 signals both marked clear to stop. On a CN signals, that usually means there's no trains coming. Beautiful, beautiful day. A little windy still though. You know, it's funny how they've got this little sign here, right? But I've seen a couple of dumb people walking this line. Oh, there's a little birdie there. What are you doing there? Right after the train. Yeah. Anyway. I was gonna say, isn't that the train we were just on? Probably not, eh?
No.
Probably not. Commuter. It was a nice day, but hey, whatever. It's still like 11, 12 degrees, so can't really complain too much. Yeah, gonna be on YouTube, you.
Yeah, it's got a vacuum cleaner pushing.
Yeah, maybe if we're lucky, we'll see one smoldering one day.
Yeah.
You know. Look at that, commuter number 3 now. Oh, there's a via. Oh, the Siemens crossing by. They're both almost foreign jobs, but they're main here. Isn't that something? Come on, let's get some freight action now. Now we're going to see some freight action.
Yeah, that'd be great.
It really reeks of Mickey D's around here. Maybe I'm wrong, but am I wrong or there's something about that locomotive didn't sound right?
Well, I'm using my Zoom, so.
Oh, you must have a better zoom than mine then.
There it is. There it is.
Again!
Got it.
Cool! What do you mean? How come you didn't get that?
It came too fast. It's too fast.
Oh, I thought you were filming the commuter. I knew it was going to be a via. I knew it was going to be a via. Siemens Charter. Boy, I'm telling you, I don't remember the last time I filmed a CN train. I just can't seem to have the timing. Oh, he's got it clear. No, don't catch on fire now. Yeah, man, first commuter I filmed with the GoPro on this gorgeous day. Gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous footage. No? Oh, look at that. Via with one bud car. Oh, nice. Almost makes up for missing that CN train there. Almost. Which was also eastbound. You know, this locomotive is so old that it probably used to have that standard bell on an American locomotive. You know, ding, 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 ding. You know what I mean? Head east to Masquesh. That's funny. I've been by this line, I think, for over an hour trying to get a QGRY. I'm getting a commuter. Typical. And it's a crossing next to a school, weirdly enough. It's so cold today, it's unreal, man. It's like -9. -9, and we're the freaking 22nd of March. Insane. It's kind of funny to see that school bus there. things I like altogether. Ben over there.